Hi, friends! Today, we're going to draw and color a glittery ice cream that looks super cool and tasty. So grab your colors and let's start! Welcome to Glitty Art! First, I draw the waffle cone, nice and pointy at the bottom. Then I draw the tip of the cone. This part goes right above the pointy part. Now I draw the ice cream swirl on top. It looks so yummy! Then I draw some lines on the cone to give it that real waffle look. Now it's time to color. First, I use red and orange for the ice cream swirls. Ice cream is a frozen dessert made from milk, cream, sugar, and flavorings. Then I add yellow for the drip part. Next, I use green for the waffle cone's top part. The first ice cream is believed to have been made in China over 2,000 years ago. Finally, I use brown for the tip of the cone. All done! Look how beautiful and shiny our ice cream! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Glittery Art. See you in the next video. Bye!